If someone asks for your contact details, and you still say, "Let me type my number," you're already behind. In today's world, your first impression isn't your handshake, it's your digital presence. A digital business card isn't just a contact card. It's your brand, your credibility, and your identity all in one tap. No paper, no saving numbers. One scan, and everything about you is right there. Your name, your work, your links, your professionalism. This is how creators, freelancers, and business owners look 10 steps ahead without saying a word. If you're still using old school business cards, you're not outdated, you're just invisible. Let me show you how people are upgrading to digital business cards the smart way. Go to brandedqrcode.com. Scroll down and click Create Your Landing Page. You'll then get two options, Business Page and Contact Card. Click Contact Card. You'll see 3 ready-made templates. Pick the one you like. You can now customize it. Add your profile photo, your name, your title or position, your company, and a short description about yourself. Enter your contact details, your phone number, WhatsApp number, email address, website, and location. You can also upload a PDF or images. Add your social media links as well, such as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and X. Then scroll up to the design section. Here you can choose your background. You can have an image at the top with a color at the bottom, a primary color at the top with a secondary color at the bottom, the same color for the entire background, or an image covering the full background. For this video, we'll use an image on the top section and a color on the bottom. You can also edit the size of your profile photo. Choose the color and style for your name, your title or position, your company, and your description. Then move to the Contact Us design section. Here you can change the colors of the container, the icons, the labels, and the values. You can also edit any images you upload. Next, go to the Social Media Links design section. Here you can adjust the container color, the icon size, and the icon font size. When everything is ready, save your page. Then click Link to QR Code, and then click Go to QR Code Generator. You'll now see 2 options, Create from Scratch or Design Assistant. We'll start with Design Assistant. Upload your face or logo. We'll upload a logo. You can change its background color, resize it, and click Apply Changes. You'll then get 4 to 6 ready-made options. Choose the one you like. You can edit it further by adjusting the export size, foreground and background colors, corner style, pattern shape, and QR detail level. Then customize the QR code size, padding, border width, border round, frame style, frame width, frame round, frame text color, frame text size, frame color, and the frame text itself. Now choose what you want the QR code to link to. You can link it to a URL, your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your YouTube, your Facebook, or a landing page. We'll link it to our saved landing page. Click Landing Page, select your page, and you'll see Landing Page X is selected to confirm it. You can also choose whether your logo appears centered or embedded in the QR code. Check the scan. And as you can see, it scans perfectly. Now scroll up to create a plain QR code. Click Remove Image, then Reset Style. Set your foreground and background colors, increase the detail level, download it, scan it, and there you go.